welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey. I don't know how we do it over here with Slay and Save a Ball on a budget. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick braid out style. This is my in-between protective style. You know, we wear a lot of wigs and weaves and extensions, so sometimes you just want to hear it to breathe and let the curls flourish. And honestly guys, I needed something to do with my head before I go back to work and I already took out my other hair, so we had to do something fast. So I just start out by spraying my hair with some water, and then I'm going to go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner repair cream. I've been using it for a while, but I think I'm ready to try something different. Leave something in the comments below if you have any suggestions for me to try something different. Then I'm just going to get my shea butter. This is my 100% raw African shea butter, and put on top of that section where I put the conditioning cream, and just comb that through. Then I'm going in with my Jamaican black castor oil just to make sure my hair stays moisturized. I've been using this method for a while. This is kind of my makeshift LCO method, and it seems to be doing okay for me. Then I'm going to take my Palmer's coconut oil formula curl styler cream pudding and put on top of that. This to me just helps to give my hair a little bit more definition, and I do use it in my wash and goes as well. Then I'm just going to braid the hair, just a regular 3-strand braid. Now my hair is pretty fine, and you know, yeah, it's fine. I think I have fine strands, so my plaits came out like, you know, little baby plaits. I was like, no, my plaits are not as thick. I was kind of nervous to, you know, see how they turn out, but that's fine. It's what's growing out of my scalp, and we make everything work. We use one and turn make fashion. Turn and make fashion. For my Jamaican people, you know what I mean. So I just did the same thing with my hair using the same steps, and I didn't part my hair neat. This was just haphazard. And as I said guys, I did really need something for go back at work, and it was either do something quick or we had a problem. So I just, you know, you just see me here just doing the same thing over and over, and don't mind about that white cast that you see over my plaits. That will go away. So it's just the water, my Cantu leave-in conditioner, my shea butter, my castor oil, and then my cream pudding, and then we just plait, braid, whichever one you call it, all of our head. You do as many as you want, make it as big or little as you want. I just tried to do as many as I could just to get as much definition as I could, but at the same time leaving enough time to go to my bed because trust me guys, I was tired. So this is just the same steps I'm doing until I've done my whole head.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
Hey guys, so now I have braided up my whole head. As I said before, don't mind that white cast. As your hair dries, it will dry too. Then I'm going to go in with my castor oil and just put that on my scalp. I have extremely dry skin from my scalp all the way to the soles of my feet, to the point where it's basically eczema. So I have to make sure that my scalp is oiled. Then I'm going in with my got to be glue and just, you know, do my edges a little bit. You don't have to do this style before. I know a lot of people, and I actually usually do this when I am finished, but I don't know why I just felt like doing it now. I don't know, sometimes I just feel to switch it up. So I'm just going to, you know, nice up my edges a little bit. Then I'm just going to take my molding wrap and put that over my edges and wrap it up, and this is how I'm going to go to sleep with it. But then, you know, I saw some perm rods sitting around in my room, and I was like, woohoo, let me just add that to be extra. So I just added some perm rods to the end of my hair, and then I went to bed. So now it's the next day, and this is right before I was going to work. So I was like, please let my hair be dry. Thank God it was dry. So I'm just taking out the perm rods at the end, and as you can see, the ends are nice and curly. You can also just finger coil the ends if you don't have any perm rods. That's fine too. Then I'm just going to use my Jamaican black castor oil and just, you know, put it on my fingertips, and I'm going to do this when I am undoing the plaits, just to keep everything nice and moisturized over here. Not too much, because you don't want your hair to be heavy and stiff. You still want a little bit of flexibility. So I'm just doing that, and as you can see, when I'm undoing my braids, you see that's how my hair turns out, that pattern. I'm showing you there, that kind of coily curly pattern. So now I've undone. Guys, I pull out the plait them. Forgive me for being tongue twisted, but just wake up and everything is a blur. So I just unraveled or loosened out the plaits, and then I'm just going to separate the curls a bit more, just to make my hair a little bit bigger, and if I have any spaces, it helps to camouflage the spaces. And then after I'm done, you know, separating the curls and everything, I just kind of just take my fingers and I just shake it up. It's not a neat thing we're doing over here. We're going for that, you know, effortless look. So I'm just going to go in with my pick and just pick out the roots just for a little bit more volume.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
And we're done. So this is the end result, guys. That's the pattern my hair decided to, you know, transform itself into. I swear my hair has a mind of its own, but we work with it. Leave some comments and suggestions down below for any new product you would like me to try. I'm on the lookout for something new aside from that Cantu leave-in conditioner. I will try anything once as long as it's good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I usually leave in these styles for maybe 3, 4, 5 days, or knowing me, until I can do something else. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram too at __ Lindsey Beth. Don't forget, follow, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye.